Hi folks, Luca at SharperTrades. The S&P 500 continued to move sideways. Technicals, the underlying are still bullish with the OBV above the moving average as well as the money stream above the moving average. A little bit of a red bar on the balance of power shifting slightly to the bears, but it's moving sideways. As long as it remains above the 50 SMA on the SPY, we're bullish. Any break below that, failing to recover, then expect a retest of 586, below that 578 and 570. Resistance is the all-time high at 610, 613, 620, and then eventually we're looking for 629 and the channel top around 636. ASAN, this one is a swing. At the end, today initiated the swing on a breakout, pullback retest, somewhere around 23 was a good entry. As the high today was 24, roughly, needs to break through. I like the volume that is coming in. First target is 26, above that 28 and 31. And analysts give a target of 27. And the two companies that are on the same sector as this one, Team and Monday.com, they done very well for earnings. This one reports earnings in a month, so there's going to be some time, and as the others continue to lift, this one is expected to lift as well. Support is 22 and 21. DT, this one is a swing, working well, good consolidation, dark pool activity like a couple of weeks ago, somewhere around 59.50. I like the technicals. Today popped 61. The recent high, 61.4 is still a resistance, needs to push through. Looking for 63.50, 67.16, and 71.13. Support keeping the same, 80 and 58. Intel, keep an eye on this one, is built in a base. It's all over the place, but I like this base above 1850. Nice formation. It's a struggling company. The news are negative, but as long as it remains above 1850, this one has potential to go higher. It needs to break out the 50 simple moving average, 21.23. 24.50 and 26.20 are the targets. Support 19 and 18.50. LYFT also something worth watching, with Uber going all over the place, but mainly higher. It's extending nicely to the target at 76, 78, looking for 81 and 84. And LYFT might try to catch up with some of the lost ground. The technicals are bullish here, popped the 50 SMA today. Targets are 17, 18, 20. Support 8 SMA and 13.50. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.